This house is small, but it doesn't feel that way. Inside, it opens more than its size suggests, and this does not happen through excess. It happens through precision. It uses few walls, but it uses them very well. This is Casa Velia, designed by Estudio Atemporal in San Simón, Valle de Bravo, Mexico. The house is compact, 2 levels, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, living room, dining, kitchen, and a terrace, all inside a simple volume with a 60 square meter built footprint. But the secret is not in adding more things, it is in organizing better. The house is structured by 2 large, solid brick walls. These walls work as boundaries, as structure, and as identity. They support the volume, organize the spaces, and give texture to the house. The façade is more closed, clad in wood, but it is not a common fixed wall. It has sliding panels. When closed, these panels make the house more protected, more continuous, almost like a wooden block. When open, they allow ventilation, mark the entrance, and reveal another layer of the house. Between the 2 walls, the space opens. The sloped roof creates different heights inside. In some points, the ceiling becomes lower, more intimate. In others, it rises and makes the house feel larger. The social area is where this appears most clearly. It has double height and opens to the exterior through a large glass facade. This completely changes the perception of size, even though it is compact. The house has depth, light, and connection with the garden. On the side facing the terrace, the house opens up. Living room, dining, and kitchen connect with the outdoor area. The glass brings the interior closer to the garden and turns the terrace into a real extension of the house. This difference between the 2 sides is important. One protects, the other opens. One controls, the other connects. And this is how the house manages to be compact without feeling limited. The materiality helps with this too. Brick, wood, glass, light walls, few materials, but used in a very direct way. The brick brings weight and texture. The wood warms the interior. The glass expands the relationship with the exterior. And the light surfaces help spread the light. Nothing feels excessive. Nothing is left over. The house works with simple geometry, straight lines, a clear volume, a sloped roof. But within this simplicity, it creates variation, height, light, shadow, opening, closing. In the bedrooms, the feeling is more contained, more private, but still connected to the overall logic of the house. The volume remains simple, the materials remain the same, and the light continues to enter in a controlled way. The house does not open the same way every side. Toward the garden, it is transparent. Toward the back and the access, it is more controlled. This allows the house to have light and views without being fully exposed. Casa Velia is a house that does not try to feel larger through excess. It feels larger because it is well organized. 2 walls, a sloped roof, 1 facade that opens, another that protects, and an interior that uses every meter with precision. A compact house that shows that space does not depend only on size. It depends on how it is designed.